What if I told you that one AI tool could save your accounting firm from a cyber disaster? That's right, one tool. And it's changing the way we think about cybersecurity in the accounting world. You might be thinking, AI and cybersecurity? That's a huge leap. But here's the thing. While you're reading this, hackers are already plotting their next attack. The question is, are you ready to fight back? In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to reveal how AI is not just reshaping industries, but saving them from the most devastating cyber threats out there. And trust me, you don't want to be left behind. So here's the deal. You're an accountant. Whether you're running a solo practice, part of a small firm, or handling a larger team, you've probably heard about cyber attacks. But do you realize the growing threat they pose to your business? Cybercriminals know that accountants hold gold-mine data, sensitive financial records, tax returns, payroll information. This data is worth a lot to hackers, and they're targeting firms just like yours. It's a silent threat that could wipe out your firm in minutes, potentially ruining your reputation and draining your bank account. But here's the good news. AI is here to combat these threats. And if you're not leveraging it, you're already falling behind. Imagine this. You're working late at the office, checking over the final details of a client's tax return. Your eyes are heavy from the long hours. Then suddenly, your screen freezes. You can't access any files. You think it's just a glitch, but then you see it. A ransom note demanding thousands of dollars to unlock your files. Panic sets in. What do? The worst part? It could have been avoided. But that was me just a year ago, skeptical about AI. I thought it was just a buzzword. That is, until I found out how AI could actually prevent this from happening. You don't have to feel helpless. With the right tools, you can stop a cyber attack before it even happens. Why you're a target? Here's the hard truth. Your accounting firm is a target. In fact, 60% of accounting firms have experienced some form of cyber attack in the past year alone. You're not exempt. Whether it's phishing, ransomware, or data breaches, hackers are getting smarter, and their methods are more sophisticated than ever. And do you know who's most vulnerable? Small and mid-sized firms. Why? Because they assume they're too small to be noticed. But that's exactly what makes them an easier target. The hackers know that you don't have the security budgets or resources of a giant corporation. They're counting on your complacency. Don't let that be you. AI to the rescue. Let me tell you something. AI is changing the game when it comes to cybersecurity. But not all AI tools are created equal. The one I'm about to share with you has changed the way I approach cybersecurity in my own business. AI can predict attacks before they even happen. It analyzes patterns and identifies vulnerabilities faster than any human could. And guess what? It's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, with just a few AI-driven strategies, you can secure your entire accounting firm without the need for a massive IT department. Practical tips to protect your firm. Think your business is safe? Think again. The cyber world is evolving, and if you're not using AI to protect your firm, you're already falling behind. Here's how you can turn the tables. Step 1. AI-powered threat detection. Imagine AI analyzing your network 24/7, spotting threats before you even blink. It can block intrusions and isolate infected systems in seconds. This isn't a nice-to-have. This is your digital bodyguard in action. Step 2. AI-driven spam filters. Phishing attempts are smarter than ever, but guess what? AI can stop them before they hit your inbox. It analyzes email content, links, and even the sender, keeping you ahead of the curve. Step 3. AI-enhanced encryption. AI doesn't just encrypt, it makes sure your sensitive data stays impenetrable. Even if a hacker gets in, your client's trust secured, your peace of mind unbreakable. Cyber threats don't wait. Don't wait. Protect your business with AI and stay one step ahead. The question is, are you ready to protect what matters most? Teasing exclusive insights. I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. Well, stay with me because I'm about to show you the one AI strategy that's not being talked about enough. In fact, it's so under the radar that if you don't implement it now, you might miss your chance to stay ahead of the game. I'll tell you exactly what it is in a minute, but first, let's talk about third-party vendors, the often overlooked weak link in your cybersecurity. The vendor risk. When you rely on third-party vendors for things like payroll or software, you're giving them access to your most sensitive data. And if their security isn't up to par, your data is at risk. AI can help you evaluate the security of your vendors in real time. By leveraging AI tools that track third-party risks, you can ensure that any vendor you work with meets the highest standards of data security. Don't wait for a breach to happen before you act. Protect your clients now. FOMO, fear of missing out. Here's where the real magic happens. AI tools are changing fast. In fact, most firms are just scratching the surface of what's possible with AI. The first 100 people who jumped on AI-driven cybersecurity tools are already seeing massive results. And if you don't act now, you'll be left behind, watching your competitors leverage AI while you're stuck using outdated methods. The technology is evolving every day, and if you don't stay ahead of the curve, you're going to regret it when AI becomes the norm in accounting security. The ultimate secret AI tool. Ready to unlock the ultimate secret to cybersecurity? Imagine a tool that learns from every threat and defends your business in real time. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. It's real. Meet Darktrace, an AI tool that's revolutionizing how businesses protect themselves. Think of it like having a personal cybersecurity sentinel that never sleeps, constantly scanning for threats, learning from them, and even predicting what could happen next. Darktrace doesn't just alert you when something goes wrong. It responds. In real time, it blocks cyber attacks and prevents damage before it happens. And the best part? It's designed to work seamlessly with any setup, whether you're on the cloud or using on-prem servers. Still relying on outdated security tools? You're playing catch-up. Darktrace is for businesses that want to stay ahead of the game, because when it comes to cybersecurity, every second counts. Don't wait for the next attack to happen. Get Darktrace and give your business the protection it deserves. So, what's stopping you from protecting your firm today? Cyber threats aren't going anywhere, and the only way to stay ahead is to embrace AI now. The future of cybersecurity is already here, and it's powered by AI. Will you be part of the wave of accountants revolutionizing the way they protect their businesses? Or will you be left scrambling when a cyber attack hits your firm? The future belongs to those who adapt. Will you be one of them? If this video opens your eyes to the power of AI, hit that subscribe button, because the Education Bench is your home for the cutting-edge tools and strategies that will keep you ahead in the world of AI and tech. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs to know about the importance of AI in protecting their firm. And drop a comment below with your thoughts on AI-driven cybersecurity. I want to hear from you. Remember, the AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here, ready.